Well, hello everyone, Shanta here. Hope you guys are having a great day. So I am here to try to kick off my Christmas 365 that I started last year that I failed miserably with. I think I end up doing like 3 videos. So I'm going to see what I can do for the holiday season this year because the struggle is real. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning. I should be asleep, but I took a nap and now I'm wide awake and trying to do something with my time. My time. So what I did was I followed a tutorial by Joyce. Love that. Well, she just changed her name, but y'all know Joyce. I'll have a link in the description bar below. But she did this easy album, and so I made 3, and I wanted to do, of course, Christmas because I wanted to start that back up. And these are so easy to sit down and whip up. And if I can do it, you can do it, because y'all know I don't do these albums and different stuff. But these were so easy. And this will also double as a sort of like a killer paper pad, because I did that as well. Alright, so let me try to just see if I can grab all this stuff without doing an avalanche. Alright, so let's see. The first one that I made, is this the first one? Yes, I think. The first one I made, I used this collection right here for my stash. From Tuesday Morning by American Crafts. And I forgot to ask Joyce when I talked to her with a 12 by 24 sheet pad work, but it does. But this one is 36, so I grabbed this one because of that. All right, so on this one, this is the front cover, and I also made a card to go with it. So let me just see if I can, how can I do this without, okay. So the front cover, let me show you the dies that I used. Some of the dies I picked up from Scrapbook and Made Simple on that sale. This is Gina Marie Stitch Banners. I forgot to grab that one. Where's this? This die right here. The Happy Holidays is, I really enjoyed this die. I didn't think I was going to like it, but I love this die right here. The Happy Holidays. And then on the card, I used this Joy to the World. I love the font. And this die right here from Timmy. I used this one from Tim Holtz. Alright, so here is the front one, and I inked the edges and all of that. Like I said, it was so easy to do. And on the inside, did the magnets. This side, flip side as well. So they're all the same. Let's see. I thought this was going to be wide enough. Ooh, I don't want to zoom out too much. Okay, so here's, well, that really didn't help because I still got to move. But it flips out the same way. These magnets are basic gray, so you know they're like really strong. And then these just flip up. And Joyce showed in her video in the tutorial, they're all where she had hers loaded with pictures and everything as well. So that one was so easy. And she increased the spine, so when we add pictures, we won't get alligator mouth. So that's why they are like this. Now, the only thing I did different on this one than what she did, because I knew I wasn't keeping them, I used the 65-pound cardstock, 2 layers, and then I put Tyvek in the middle for the binding. So mine are stiffer than normal because it has the Tyvek through the 2 layers of the 65-pound thinner cardstock, because I didn't want it too thick. But yep, that's the first one. And then, like I said, here's the card to go with it, using that glitter paper from Hobby Lobby that don't shed, praise God. And then Joy to the world. And then I used the cane on the inside. So that's number 1. Second one, then I got a little Ventress. And so I had asked Joyce, she had mentioned in the video about doing double flips. And so I tried that with this one, but because I wasn't for sure how this was going to turn out, I didn't add all the paper in there that I would normally have. This is the paper pad that I use right here, and this is all I have left. That's it. So this will be destroyed. I probably can see if I can squeeze some 3x3s out of the scraps, but the next 2 was made out of that. So here is this one, and show you the dies in case you was wondering. This is that sleigh, and I didn't worry about embossing the running through and embossing the detail on that because I thought it would clash with the background, but I used that one, this one, and then I used the presents came out of this die, the present, and on the card I used this die, and hopefully that's it. Okay, so here's the front cover. Use those pieces from Michael's. And then on this one, same thing, no papers on the inside. I could use the scraps to decorate there, but like I said, I'm sort of scared. And on the inside, I did double mats of the flips. Let me zoom out. I am a little bit too close. Sorry, you guys. Double mats of the flips, but like I said, I was scared to mat these with paper because I didn't know how bulky they was going to be. And then I put the other mat on the outside that normally would have went right here. I put it on the outside, so it's just like this when it stands up. So hopefully it won't be alligator mouth when they get filled with pictures. And here is the card. Like I said, I love that die, and I glittered everything with my Nouveau pens and the Recollection bling. That's the card to go with that one. And then the last one, I used this die right here, this die, and this die. Alrighty, and then the last one is I went back to being normal. Oh, so I haven't asked Joyce, did I do what she was talking about the flips? But this is this one. Again, using that Hobby Lobby glitter paper. These came from, I don't know where. Maybe this is a Dollar Tree brand. Maybe this is from the Dollar Tree. But they was in this pack. I want to say I got them from the Dollar Tree, but not for sure. Or maybe Dollar General. One of those. So I use my Dollar Tree crochet trim. Y'all know I love that Dollar Tree trim. I talk about it all the time to my buddies. Have buckets of it because I love it. Use some twine there. And then same thing. It just flips out. Nothing is on this one like the original one. And that's the flips. Right there. And of course nothing is on the back. But I am content with this. All right, so this is so easy. And then here's the card. So I just glittered everything up. Use some Wild Orchid Crafts and bling from Michael's. And that's the inside for that mitten. All right, you guys, so that is it. I just wanted to share with you those albums to kick off my 365. I will leave Joyce's channel in the description right below to the video where she did the tutorial. Like I said, super simple, super easy. If I can sit down and make these, and I could have made 2 in one day, but you know, I was doing it in and everything. But because I am a slow crafter, believe it, contrary to popular belief, I am very slow crafter. So for me to be able to knock out 2 in one day is like big deal. But anyway, those are so super simple and easy. Thank you, Joyce, for the tutorial. Y'all check her out. I will be back with another video. Hopefully I can keep this going, and this won't be the only Christmas 365 video of 2019. But hey, you just never know with me. Bye, you guys. Have a blessed day. Bye.